Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about Python. So what is Python? Python is a programming language that is very easy to learn and is designed with beginners in mind. So what is a programming language then? So everything a computer does is a computer program, and the computer programs are written in programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. For example, this PowerPoint presentation that I'm showing you itself is a computer program, and it's written in programming language such as C, C++. Similarly, the Chrome browser that you use daily for browsing internet, for viewing web pages, for doing Google, and all the stuff that you do inside the browser by giving the URL is itself a computer program. Okay, it is also written in some kind of programming language such as C++, Java, Python, etc. Okay, so now you are clear what is Python and what's the difference between a computer program and a programming language. So computer programs are written with using programming language such as Python. Okay, so why learn Python? First of all, as I already said, Python is easy to learn. It is designed with newcomer in mind. If you don't know any programming language till now, then you can start with Python. It would be very easy and delightful for you. Then Python requires less code for complete basic task. Take the example here. You want to make mark sheet for all students in the class. You want to list down how much mark they secured in each subject, what is the total mark, what percentage of mark they have scored. So all these can be done with Python with few lines of code. Okay, take this example here. Python code is often 3 to 5 times shorter than the Java and C++ code. Now we will look at some typical hello world program. So whenever you do some coding, so your first task could be to write a hello world program. Okay, so in C++, when you begin the coding, okay, your first task is to write a hello world program where you have to print the sentence hello world. Okay, in C++, look at the syntax. It's how many lines the code has, and this is C#, and this is Java. And look at the Python. It's just a single line, print hello world. So next question is where to use Python. So Python is a general purpose language. Okay, you can use Python to write any kind of computer program, whether it's a desktop app or web app, whether for data mining or whether for scientific computing. Okay, it is very useful for artificial intelligence even. So what are libraries? Libraries are third-party codes written from different parts of the world by different authors. Okay, so suppose you want to do artificial intelligence. There are libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow. For scientific computing, there is NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Matplotlib for visualization of data. Python is complete, means with batteries included. So Python standard library comes with modules for handling most common tasks such as email, web pages, databases, operating system calls, GUI development, etc. You no need to install any third-party libraries for it. Everything comes already out of the box. Python is cross-platform, which means you can use it in Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix, or whatever operating system you want in which Python interpreter is installed. Then Python can be used for Internet of Things. Internet of Things supports Python. Single board computers such as Raspberry Pi, Pine 64 chip, or electronic devices of Arduino all can be used for Internet of Things which supports Python. Their codes can be written with Pythons. Their computer programs can be written with Python. Imagine you have a refrigerator which is connected through the internet, through Internet of Things. Now you are outside, you can give a series of steps to the washing machine while you are in the market. That is, you can control the washing machine remotely, and after when you come to home, your clothes are clean. Now the last slide for Python introduction. Python has a very great community support, which means whenever you fall into trouble in the code, you are unable to debug it or unable to get the logic, you can easily search different communities if there is if other people have already solved the problem you are facing, or you can ask questions even so that the communities can help you. Look at here the Stack Overflow page. It has about 7,50,000 questions tagged with Python.